There's a common problem with many of the Toyota air filters, and that is where they allow dust to ingress into the motor. Now, obviously that is a major concern for us because there's so many vital components in the modern engine that must not get contaminated by dust. Now, the team at All 4x4 Spares supply the Terrain Tamer air filter element insert kit. And what that's about is improving the air filter efficiency on the Toyota Land Cruiser systems. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install one of these kits into this filter element here, and that's going to help the air filter ensure that it's doing the best job it can at keeping dust and dirties out of our motors. So the first thing we're going to do is obviously pull the air filter out. And that's the old filter element. Now on this one you can see that the filter gasket's actually been damaged, so that wasn't doing a great job at sealing. Now oftentimes when you inspect inside the cover here, you'll see that there's a bit of grime and muck on there, so we're going to clean all of that out. So in the kit, your instructions, and the kit comes with a new air filter element. So wait till we're ready to fit it, and it comes with this sealant. And this sealant, we're going to apply that around this top surface of the airbox. Now that we've got the sealant down, we just clean the gasket surface so it's ready to be put into place. And we press the gasket down into the inside of the top cover there. And what this is going to do is it increases the amount of pressure on the air filter element gasket, and it also adds a level of rigidity to the top surface of this cover, so that when the engine's under high load and we're drawing maximum air through the air filter, there's no deformation of this top cover, allowing this area here to flex and move. We've strengthened it, we've increased the pressure on the gasket, and that's going to allow for the sealing or the air filter to have its maximum ability of doing its job. Now we're going to fit this all up, and then we're going to let the vehicle stand for a couple of hours so that silicone can dry. Well, there's a nice, cost-effective and simple way to protect your motor by making sure that dust is not getting into it. Now, if you'd like to find out more about the Terrain Tamer air filter element, contact the team at All 4x4 Spares and they'll be only too happy to help you out. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.